Dear friends, now I am dictating elaboration at the rate of 100 words per minute of Tamil Nadu Government Technical Examinations of May 1980. Dear friends, it is important for us to write second paper also, that is elaboration. It is also one of the part of the examinations, and you don't think only speed important. Second paper also important. Okay, please get ready. Number 1, sealed tenders are invited from licensed building contractors for construction of godowns at Madras for the Food Corporation of India for storage of food grains. Application forms may be obtained from the Zonal Manager, Food Corporation of India, Madras, during working hours on payment of rupees 5. Rupees 500 earnest money deposit should be paid into State Bank of India and challan enclosed. Tenders should be submitted before 5 p.m. on 10th February. Tenders will be opened in the presence of tenderers at 10 a.m. on 11th. The zonal manager reserves the right to reject any tender. Draft tender notice. Number 2. Letter from Ranganathan and Company, Egmore, Madras, to Thiru Rajagopalan of Salem. He had been acting as their agent in his area for the last 5 years. He had promised that he would show definite improvement in the sales of their articles, but they find no improvement. On the other hand, they find a decline for the past 1 year. This is in spite of the heavy demand for their articles. Notice is therefore given that if there is no improvement in the next month, they may have to terminate his agency and appoint somebody else. He has to reply within a fortnight of the receipt of the letter whether he is willing to continue as agent or not. Draft a letter. Number 3. A leading import and export firm, Armenian Street, Madras, requires a good telephone operator. Ladies will be preferable. Persons who have previous experience will be given preference. Salary rupees 300 and other allowances. High starting salary will be allowed for persons with previous experience and are really capable. Draft advertisement and an application giving 3 years experience. Number 4. The stretch of road from Saidapet to Medavakkam via Velacheri has been damaged in recent floods. The road is not now fully fit for vehicle traffic. There are a number of buses plying along that road. A number of cycles, cars, and lorries also pass along that road. Most of the vehicle often get damaged due to the many potholes and the bad condition of the road. Many representations have been made to local officials, but they have not been fruitful. Draft letter as from the president of a welfare association of that area to the chief engineer, highways department, Chepak, Madras, requesting that immediate and effective action by be taken to repair the road.